Hi guys, Steph here. Right, we've got for you another pen haul. So this will be named the pen haul for April. And well, basically this haul is not from one particular location. I travelled here, I travelled there, I travelled everywhere. And it's basically I've just collected them together. So this is an accumulation of all the travels I've done. So yeah, as always, some good, some bad, some ugly. As always, anything of interest, you know what to do. Down below, get in touch. So without any particular order, there we go. A Parker 51 case, empty case. We've got another Parker here. Let's open it up here. Oh, there we go. We've got a lovely large Parker Senior. As you can see there, in lovely condition. Right, doesn't need a lot of work. These were basically the flagship pens of the Parker Duofold of the period until they brought out the Parker Maxima. So anybody looking for a large pen, you know what to do. I just thought this was quite interesting because it's got a picture of a ship. There we go, lever filling, it's a Majestic. And look at that, what a lovely colour as well. This sort of red colour, chrome trim. It's got a lovely nib on it, so not too sure who made Majestic pens. Anybody knows? You know what to do, help us out, get in touch. But a lovely, there we go, British made, fitted with a 14 karat gold nib. Fine, very nice indeed. I thought that was quite an interesting pen. This one, all right, I'm not sure what this is. Is it a Parker 45? Yeah, Parker 45. The chrome coloured flighter. Obviously not the original box, but helps to protect the pen. They're very good pens, great everyday writers. So if you're interested, you know what to do. There we go. Platignum. I always get Platignum and Platinum mixed up. But yeah, we've got a rollerball, ballpoint, and I think that's the fountain pen. It's got a lovely nib on it, as you can see there. Never been inked. Great condition. Very nice. A Platignum set. All right, now this one, nice and simple, is actually a pencil, which I'll show you in a moment. I just thought it was interesting because it says the mission. I forgot what it says. The mission of Seamen in London. So it's the sort of the mission. And the reason I found this one interesting and I purchased it is because, I don't know if you people are aware, I was in the Merchant Navy myself. And there we go. So I just thought it was interesting. I never saw them when I was in the Merchant Navy and when I was at the missions around the world. But maybe I just missed out at the time. I wasn't aware of pens. There we go, look at that. Another Parker Duofold Senior. This one's got a little bit of a snag to the nib there, as you can see. But once again, a large pen. And great everyday writer pens. Let's have a look at this big box here. There we go, that needs to be glued in. But yeah, it's got two Sheaffer pens. We've got there we go, a nice fountain pen. I forget the model off the top of my head. And then it's got is it a pencil? Yeah, there we go, look at that. Pencil in full working order as well. So a lovely Sheaffer set in this gold colour. Very nice indeed. Let's bring these forward. Let's take that one to the top there. We've got a Conway Stewart. Not sure of the model number. Hopefully you guys can see that better than I can. So we've got a Conway Stewart. It's got the Conway nib to it. Just needs a little bit of attention to it, I'm sure. So there we go. Then we've got this particular pen here. It's a Parker case, as you can see there. And then when we open it up, look at that. Very nice indeed. This one's in lovely, lovely condition. I think this, well, I don't think it's a Parker Sonnet fountain pen, as you can see there. And it comes in this, I think they call it the Fire Dance. Is it Fire Dance Red or Fire Dance Colour? And then if you look at the nib, look at that. A lovely 18 karat gold nib. As I say, it's in great condition. It doesn't need, well, I don't think it needs any work to it. No converter. Actually, I've not even checked underneath. Does it have a converter in it? I'm not sure. But anybody of interest, I'll find a converter for it. But a lovely Fire Dance Red Parker Sonnet fountain pen in the original case. Very nice indeed. This one comes in a Parker case, but it's not a Parker. It's a Sheaffer. And it looks like it's the Snorkel. There we go. You got Snorkel is actually stuck in the out position. You can see it's not aligned correctly. So this one obviously it looks a bit tired, as you can see. So it needs to be serviced and that'll become a nice pen. Why it's in a Parker case, I don't know, but it helps to protect it. Got a nice Conway Stewart. This one also very interesting. Look at that. And then if I show it to you there, you've got Conway Stewart. I think is it the 73 or the 75? I can't quite remember. Made in England, in absolutely great condition. And as far as I'm concerned, just checked it over very quickly. It's never been inked. Okay, so it's an X-stock pen, excellent condition, no wear to any of the clip, to the bands, etc. In fact, I've had these before now. If you look at the Conway Stewart gold nib there, it sort of looks a little bit on the dull side. The reason being, when I found these sort of brand new pens or never used pens before, they tend to have some sort of like a coating on the gold nibs. Now, that can polish away no problem. It'll become nice and shiny. But, yeah, that gives you an indication that the pen, as I said, has never been inked. In lovely condition. Do we polish the nib? I don't know. I know what we will do. We'll put a brand new sack in it. I'm sure the sack would have perished by now. But in superb, never been inked condition. Even the barrel imprint there, to the touch, it's pronounced, again indicating, well, yes, it's X-stock. You can see the guarantee there, a little bit on the tatty side, but hey ho, a gorgeous, gorgeous pen. And last, yet another Parker. Okay, this one speaks for itself. A Parker 45 Classic fountain pen. You can see in black with a chrome cap, chrome nib, in lovely condition. Again, I don't think it's ever been inked, this particular one. Underneath here, we've got two Parker cartridges ready for the new owner to go and to write with it. So there we have it. Let's put that to one side. And there, the box pens that we found. Some very nice ones, some interesting ones, obviously. But what we'll do tomorrow, I'll show you the loose pens. So keep watching. But for now, I'm just going to say down below, don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up if you will. Also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. For now, I'll just say Slavo Ukraini from me and all them pens you've just seen. Bye-bye for now.